Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy M31s. I bought this device from the Amazon in the 19,500 rupees. It has a 6GB RAM, 128GB storage. It is also available in the 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. If you want to buy this device, then the link is in the video description. You can purchase it. You will get some discount. Now let's unbox this masterpiece. और ये रहा हमारा प्यारा सा Samsung M31s phone. As you can see that it is a very big phone, and at the first time when I hold it, the build quality is so strong. However, it is the plastic body and it is also comes with the fast charger. Samsung provide 25-watt fast charger because this phone has a very big battery, so we need a fast charger to charge this phone very quickly. It also comes with the type C to type C cable, and this phone can also use to charge other phone, which means this phone support the reverse charging. Now let's remove this wrapper. As you can see that this build quality is so much strong, and this color looks really great. It's so shiny. However, still it is a plastic body, but it get the job done. And you can see that on the right side there is a fingerprint scanner with the power button. So with the touch you can turn on and turn off the phone, as well as you can instantly unlock your phone because the fingerprint scanner is now on the power button. So now let's quickly boot up this phone. Okay, so I have set up the device, and as you can see that it is come with some pre-installed app like a Facebook, Snapchat, Amazon and Netflix. Now let's talk about the specification. Now it has a 6.5-inch display. It has a protection of the Gorilla Glass 3 on the front side. The screen resolution is 1080 into 2400 pixels. It has a 29 aspect ratio and the 405 ppi pixel density. It comes with the Android 10 with the Samsung One UI 2.0. Now the Samsung have used their Exynos 9611 processor. This processor is used in the mid-range devices, and it is not very powerful one. It's a 10 nanometer processor. However, it gets the job done. The GPU here in this phone is Mali G72. Now let's see how this phone display perform outside. So right now I am in my gallery, and as you can see that this display is very bright, so you can see each and every detail perfectly clear in the sunlight too. As you can see that on the screen right now I am using its full brightness, and you can see each and everything. Now let's set up a fingerprint scanner. As we all know that the fingerprint scanner is on the right hand side of the phone with the power button, and it unlocks the phone instantly. As you can see that it unlocks the phone instantly, and you don't need to press the button to unlock your phone. Just simply put your thumb on the scanner and it will instantly unlock your phone. No need to press the button. It also has the Face ID. So if you want to use the Face ID, you can use the Face ID. The Face ID is based on the software. So this is the unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy M31s. I hope you like it. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and like my videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.